homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Harper County, southern Sumner County, until 4 p.m. At 3:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Caldwell, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. You can expect half-dollar-size hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles and crops is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wellington, Milan, Perth, and Mayfield. This includes the Kansas Turnpike between mile markers 13 and 21.